Looking for a compost bins for beginners? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 compost bins for beginners available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect compost bins for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Indy Tumbler Composter. Looking for an easy and efficient way to compost your kitchen and garden waste? Look no further than the 2-compartment Tumbler compost bin. Made from durable polypropylene, this tumbler can withstand any outdoor conditions and features 2 convenient compartments. Simply fill one side with green waste and let the tumbler do its job of breaking it down. Then, keep adding your vegetable scraps and garden waste to the other side. The lid is molded with markings so you can see which side is currently undergoing the composting process. This tumbler is best for gardeners who are just starting their composting journey. There's no need to turn the compost by hand because the tumbler does it for you when you spin it. Plus, the 2 compartments mean that you can brew one side while you add scraps to the other. Get started on your composting journey today with the 2-compartment Tumbler compost bin. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Miracle Grow Dual Chamber Compost Tumbler. Looking for a small, efficient composter? Look no further than this dual chamber composter. With 2 separate chambers, you can fill one and let it cure while adding food waste to the second chamber. The chambers have mixing bars to help the composting process along, and you can even lock the chambers and rotate them together. In hot weather, you can create compost in as little as 4 weeks. The best temperature for producing compost is 135 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit inside the bin, so you'll have complete control over the process. Plus, this composter makes it easy to turn your food scraps into rich fertilizer for your garden. At number 3 on our list, we have the Exoco Trading Company Kitchen Compost Waste. This small kitchen waste collector is the best unit to have in your kitchen. You can throw your food scraps into it before taking them to your outdoor composter. The large carbon filter reduces bad odors. It's also replaceable. Walking out to your outdoor compost bin can be a hassle if it's cold or raining. This kitchen compost collector is the best solution. You can easily mount it on a cupboard door, so it's both out of sight and easy to access. Then, when it's full, just take it outside and empty the contents into your outdoor compost. At number 4 on our list, we have the Geo Bin Expandable Compost Bin. This expandable composter is huge and will hold up to 246 gallons of yard waste when fully expanded. It's great for use in the fall when you have a lot of leaves to mulch and compost. In fact, this is the best unit for creating the humus, the material you get when dried leaves are fully composted. If you have a lot of fallen leaves in your garden, this composter is ideal. You can expand it to accommodate more garden waste as you need to. The open structure means that your compost will be well aerated. At number 5 on our list, we have the Algreen Products Soil Saver Classic Compost Bin. 5. Algreen Products Soil Saver Classic Compost Bin. This composter is well designed. It allows you to collect nutrient-rich compost from the bottom as it fully matures. Just open the sliding latch door and remove the finished compost. At the same time, you can add more organic waste to the top of the unit. The composter is made from recycled plastic that is BPA-free. This large composter is rugged and well made. Its solid construction means that you'll be creating compost from food waste and garden materials for years to come. The sliding doors at the bottom are great for removing matured compost as you need it, while you add more waste into the top. At number 6 on our list, we have the premium quality stainless steel compost bin 1.3 gallon. This small kitchen compost bin is designed to sit on your bench top so that you can put all your kitchen scraps into it when preparing your meals. It has a charcoal filter to reduce odors and a lid so that the food scraps don't attract insects. This small stainless steel compost bin is just the right size to keep in your kitchen for food scraps. You can either set it on the counter if you have space or place it in a cupboard if you want to. The lid fits snugly and the charcoal filter keeps the odors at bay. At number 7 on our list, we have the Redmond Green Culture 65-gallon compost bin. This 65-gallon compost bin is best for any sized yard because it doesn't take up much space. It's made from high-quality, UV-resistant plastic. This means it won't crack or break under adverse weather conditions. Its 4 doors at the bottom make removing the mature compost easy. This compost bin is large enough for most households and doesn't need a lot of space. You can keep filling it up while collecting the cured compost at the bottom when you want to. The snap-on lid means it will keep any visiting animals away from your compost pile. At number 8 on our list, we have the stylish Farmhouse kitchen compost bin. This small, stylish organic waste bin will look great on any kitchen countertop without taking up much space. It's 100% rust-proof and comes with a thick carbon filter to eliminate odors. This is a stylish small kitchen scrap collector that you won't mind seeing on the countertop. The thick charcoal filter in the lid eliminates odors and doesn't attract fruit flies. When it comes to cleaning, all this bin needs is a quick wash in water and a little dish soap, and it's ready to use again. At number 9 on our list, we have the Maxworks 80,699 garden compost bin. If you follow the instructions, this composter can produce usable compost in just 2 weeks. Fill one of the chambers with the correct mixture of compost materials, then spin the composter 5 or 6 times every couple of days. The process is sped up if the weather is warm and you place the unit in the sun. This composter will have you producing mature compost in just a couple of weeks. The 2 chambers mean that one side will mature while you add fresh waste to the other side. This unit is solidly made, you'll be happily composting for many years. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Vermi Hut Plus 5 Tray Worm Compost Bin. This worm composting bin is specially designed to keep the worms happy. You can use both the castings and the compost tea in your vegetable garden. The unit features a unique worm-saving tray R&M board. This tray increases airflow and stops both worms and debris from falling into the liquid tray at the bottom. Plus, it's odor-free. This is one of the best worm bins on the market. It can convert around 5 pounds of organic kitchen material with the 5 included trays. You can even add more trays if you have a lot of food waste. The worms will digest the food scraps and leave behind nutrient-rich worm castings that you can use in your garden. Plus, because it's odorless, you can even keep this worm composting bin inside your home. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.